In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to install and set up Taobao app with Alipay. By the end, your Taobao account will be securely linked to Alipay, so checkout is faster and more reliable. Start by opening your browser and going to login.taobao.com. Sign in to your Taobao account using whichever method you prefer, your password, an SMS code, or the QR code option. If the page appears in Chinese, you can use your browser's translate feature to make the labels easier to follow, but the layout is the same either way. Once you're in, hover over your profile or account area, usually at the top left or top right of the page. From the drop-down, click Account Management shown as Zhanghao Guanli or Account and Security shown as Zhanghao Anquan. Both lead you to the settings you need. In the account settings, look for the Alipay section. It may appear as Bind Alipay, Bangding Zhifu Bao, or Alipay Account Management. Click that to start the link process. This connects your Taobao profile with your Alipay wallet, so your payment details and identity verification stay in sync. Next, you'll be asked for the phone number registered with your Alipay. First, select your country code from the list, then enter your mobile number without the leading zero. This format helps the system validate your number correctly and ensures the code goes to the right device. Before you proceed, Taobao will prompt a slider verification. Drag the puzzle slider into place to confirm you're a real person. If it doesn't pass the first time, wait a moment and try again steadily. Alipay will then send a 6-digit SMS code to your registered phone. Keep your phone nearby and enter that code on the Taobao page exactly as shown. These codes expire quickly, so if time runs out, request a new one. For your security, never share these codes with anyone. After the code is accepted, a pop-up will request authorization to connect Taobao with your Alipay account. Review the prompt and click Agree, Confirm, or Authorize, shown as Tongyi or Keding. This permission allows Taobao to use Alipay for checkout, while Alipay handles the secure payment flow. Once approved, you'll see a confirmation that Alipay is bound Yibangding. From here on, expect faster payments and smoother checkout, often with auto login for payment steps. If you don't see the status right away, give the page a moment to update or simply revisit account management to confirm the binding. That's it. You've successfully linked Taobao and Alipay, keeping your purchases quick, convenient, and secure.